One thing I wanted to touch on specifically was rain gauge locations. A lot of the time I've seen people rush into, we're just going to put a rain gauge on every station. Rain gauges need to be installed away from any potential debris falling into rain gauge. There's going to be debris falling in, but the less you can do, the less maintenance required and the better data you'll get. Another thing is install away from any high wind shear. If your rain is falling sideways because of the amount of wind it's getting, there's nothing going into that rain gauge unless you have the space for wind shields and the likes, and that's typically not the case. So keep that in mind. Utilize your bird spikes. If you don't utilize a bird spike, it will become a bird bath, and that's just the way it goes. And one of the reasons I discourage just putting rain gauges on existing locations, they're more towards waterways and begin to be clumped up around the waterway and watershed. Rain is distributed evenly as it starts pouring into your area. And so we need to capture that accordingly and distribute them across the watershed if possible. And so we will have precip only locations if we want the best monitoring we can get.